Yung gagawin natin ng KN95, i-unboxing natin siya. So, yan, ginawa ko. Nisprayan ko na siya ng alcohol. So, ear hanging stereo, mass professional protection and health care. In addition to bacteria dust with thick material. So, yon yung GB 2626-2006 EN 1492001 plus A1 2009, 10 pieces. Pull up the folds. This is the instruction on how you can wear the KN95 mask. Pull up the folds in the mask and with both hands up and down at the same time, and place the mask horizontally to the nose, mouth, nose, face, and use both hands. Hang the rope on the ears. Hold the middle of the bridge in the nose onto your left hand and pull the lower part of the mask on your chin with your right hand so that the mask is fully extended and covered. So squeeze the nose bridge with the index finger of both hands so that the upper mask can be pressed against the bridge of the nose. So ito yung model KN95 protective mask. 10 pieces, filtration efficiency 95%. So very safe and effective. 95%. So 10 pieces siya. So open ko siya. Open natin siya. Okay. Yan yung makita nyo pag i-open nyo yung KN95 mask. Yan yung makikita nyo. Ayan. Yan yung suot ko ngayon.